Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on how to crypto. In today's video, I will show you how you can download your Luno Bitcoin and crypto wallet on your device. Now, if this sounds interesting, follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now, before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now, let's get started. Firstly, you need to open up your Play Store or App Store on your device and there search for Luno Wallet. And once you found it, tap on install button, and as soon as you do that, the installation will be started. Now once this app get downloaded, you will take into this type of page where you will be able to see this open button at the bottom of your screen. And if you want to open up Luno Wallet app, tap on open button, and there you will take into its official home page. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to download Luno Bitcoin and crypto wallet. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now that's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.